How to do a carousel on Instagram. Creating a carousel post on Instagram lets you tell a story or share multiple aspects of an event or topic in one go, keeping your audience engaged and interested. So here's how we are going to do. We're just going to open first our Canva. Alright, here you are. Now under the Canva, you have here a search tab. You're just going to click that one and you're going to type carousel Instagram post under templates. Okay, so here are the templates that we have. Now we're going to scroll here until we see price. We're going to click that and we're going to click free. We're going to hit apply. So the reason why we are doing this is because we want to have the free templates. Now after doing that, we're just going to scroll down here until we find an image or a template that we think fits the best with what we want. So say for example this one, I'm going to click this one here. Alright. Now you have the option, of course, to customize these according to your likes. You can change the topic and so on and so forth. But once you're done with everything, you're just going to download it. We're going to click this one here. We're going to click download. And once you're here, you want to click select pages. You have to make sure that everything has been selected. Basically this one, maximum limit 1 to 9, or depending on how many pages or pictures you have. So we're going to click done, download it. Alright, so now that we are done, we're going to go back to our Instagram. We're going to click this one here, and then we're going to click select multiple. So of course we want to start here and then add the following. Okay, there you go. So we selected all 9 pages. And the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to click next. Okay, and then let's try seeing it. We're going to swipe. Okay, I guess it's in the right order. So we're going to click next. Click share. Alright, so we have it here now. We're going to try check them one by one. Okay, first, side business, voiceover, 3, make money, 4, share your ride, 5, sell clothes online, 6, online surveys, 7, share your skills, and very good. Yeah, there you go everyone. That's how you're going to do a carousel post on Instagram. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.